The Trump tariffs, a business perspective on pros and cons. Did the Trump administration's tariffs help or hurt the American economy? It's a complex question with no easy answers. Let's dive into the details and explore the potential benefits and significant drawbacks of this controversial policy. Revitalization of domestic industries. Tariffs on steel and aluminum imports aimed to protect U.S. manufacturers from foreign competition, potentially leading to increased domestic production. Job preservation. In manufacturing, by imposing tariffs, the administration sought to safeguard jobs in key industries vulnerable to foreign competition. Promotion of fair trade practices. The tariffs were intended to address unfair trade practices by certain countries, encouraging a more balanced trade environment. Increased government revenue. Tariffs generated additional revenue for the U.S. government, which could be allocated to various public sectors. Leverage in trade negotiations. The threat or an implementation of tariffs provided the U.S. with bargaining power in international trade discussions. Encouragement of domestic investment. Higher import costs incentivized companies to invest within the U.S., fostering economic growth. Protection of emerging industries. Tariffs shielded nascent industries from established foreign competitors, allowing them time to develop. Reduction of trade deficits. By making imports more expensive, tariffs aim to decrease the trade deficit with certain countries. National security enhancement. Protecting industries vital to national security, such as steel, ensured their viability during critical times. Promotion of American-made products. Tariffs encouraged consumers to buy domestically produced goods, boosting local businesses. Stimulation of technological innovation. Domestic companies, facing reduced foreign competition, had greater incentives to innovate. Support for rural economies. Tariffs on agricultural imports protected U.S. farmers from foreign competition. Encouragement of diversified supply chains. Companies sought alternative suppliers, reducing dependence on single foreign sources. Strengthening of labor standards. By targeting countries with lower labor standards, tariffs promoted fairer global labor practices. Environmental benefits. Reducing imports from countries with lax environmental regulations encouraged more sustainable practices. Increased consumer prices. Tariffs often led to higher prices for goods, burdening American consumers. Retaliatory tariffs. Other countries imposed their own tariffs on U.S. exports, harming American industries. Strained international relations. The tariffs led to tensions with allies and trading partners. Negative impact on global trade. The tariffs contributed to a slowdown in international trade, affecting global economic growth. Job losses in downstream industries. Industries reliant on imported materials faced higher costs, leading to potential job losses. Market uncertainty. The unpredictability of tariff policies created uncertainty in global markets, affecting investments. Inflationary pressures. Increased costs of imports contributed to inflation, reducing consumers' purchasing power. Supply chain disruptions. Tariffs disrupted established supply chains, leading to inefficiencies and increased costs. Adverse effects on small businesses. Smaller companies, lacking the resources to absorb higher costs, were disproportionately affected. Legal challenges. The use of national security as a justification for tariffs faced legal scrutiny and challenges. Erosion of multilateral trade agreements. Unilateral tariffs undermined existing international trade agreements and organizations. Currency fluctuations. Tariff announcements led to volatility in currency markets, affecting global financial stability. Impact on emerging markets. Developing countries faced economic challenges due to reduced access to U.S. markets. Potential for trade wars. Escalating tariffs risked triggering broader trade conflicts, harming global economic stability. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for exclusive content.